Hey guys, Dan with Kane Custom Garage again. Today we got another episode of This Old Chainsaw. So stay tuned for more episodes. I'm trying to get to like 100 subscribers, so like and subscribe. Today we got this L65 Husqvarna chainsaw. She was made in 1974. It's a 65cc chainsaw. I got this one off of eBay. The guy on eBay, his name is Glenner Dog on there, and he's in Longview, Washington, and he always has cool chainsaws and axes and stuff on there. Seems like every time I go on there he's got something cool. But so yeah, I got that from him, and it was actually a pretty decent chainsaw. When I got it, it was just dirty and nasty, so I cleaned it up and painted a few pieces. The side cover was broken, so it was broken right here, so I made a whole new side piece and screwed that to it. Put the double dogs on. And on these longer bar chainsaws, you know, sometimes they fall on their chain when you put them down, and I hate that, so I extended this lower dog, so now it's got a little kickstand, so that's sort of cool. It's got a nice clean muffler. So yeah, just a nice clean example. The rear handle was cracked in the spot, so I made a little reinforcement plate there. See, that's custom. So let's fire it up, see what she sounds like. Fired up, fired up. I stole that from the Terrell show. You guys gotta watch that Terrell guy, he's pretty crazy. So anyways, let's see what it sounds like. She's a beast. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you got any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks and bye.